So hello guys, welcome again to Doy's Playlist channel. So padung ta karon guys sa Mount Someng. So ato tan-awon ug unsa dito ka bakilid guys. Okay, so come go with me guys and let's explore the beauty of Mount Someng. Okay guys.
Hold up.
Okay, so come on guys, come with me and together we will climb. Not in the stairs, but we will climb in the mountain. Welcome to Mount Someng. Okay guys, here we are. Okay, let's take a deep breath before we can see the beautiful spot of Mount Someng. Do you love to stay in quiet places guys? If you do, then Mount Someng is just right for you. O diba advertisement guys? No. Okay, so here we are now. Okay, so just a minute. Then here we are. Look at guys, that is a bahay kubo. Okay, so bahay kubo is the national house in the Philippines. So in English, it is nipa hut. Okay, so bahay kubo guys is very nice to live in. It's because it is very cold inside the bahay kubo. Because its floor is made up of bamboo slats and its roof is made of either coconut grass or coconut leaves. Okay guys, so this is now the other side or other part of Mount Someng. Okay, there you can see that one is the shall we say the Poro Port. That one is the Poro Port. Okay, it is your place of origin when you go to Cebu City. Okay, so this one guys is the most exciting part of Mount Someng, where you can see its beautiful view. A nice view. Okay, so that is guys. So here also in Mount Someng we can find many different many flowers. Okay, so naloko na talaga yung English ko. Okay, so look at the place guys, the surroundings. It is very quiet and you can see all blue and green colors. So blue and green represents nature. So nature guys, so meaning it is very nice to be here. You can spend the rest of your hours here or most of your hours here relaxing. You can really relax and enjoy the view. Okay, so look at the horizon guys. Okay, so I remember the song Blue Skies. Blue skies, where tomorrow. Okay, so that part guys is the very most attractive to see. Okay, so during nighttime you can see different colors of lights there. It's because that part is the Tulangjut and the Lake Danau also. So the Tulangjut and the Lake Danau is located at the other municipality of Camotes, which is the San Francisco. Okay, so magtagalog muna ako guys dahil hindi ko na naintindihan. Magno-nosebleed na ako. Okay, so ano yan guys? Coconut. Coconut nut in coconut. Okay, so coconut is sa Tagalog ay niyog. Okay, so kumakain ba kayo ng niyog guys? Marami yan dito sa atin. Yan coconut. Yan ay isang lubi-lubi. Enero, Pebrero, o ganyan yung awiting lubi-lubi. So napakaganda dito guys. It's because of very fresh air. You don't need electric fans. You don't need air cons. It's because the place is very cold at night. So yung kailangan mo na lang ay yung yayakap sa'yo. Char! Okay, so look at guys the flowers. Two lovely flowers. O diba dalawa sila? One is red pero dito pink siya. The other's white. Meron bang white? Oh, meron sa ibaba. Ay hindi pala. Yung tip pala niya is white. Pero promise talaga guys, maganda dito. So maganda talaga dito sa Mount Someng. So if ever I can have the opportunity to buy a lot, okay, so I will prefer this kind of location here. It's because very relaxing, can ease your troubles. But here, you are not crossing the bridge over troubled water. Joke only, guys. So, ayan, guys. Tingnan nyo. As if parang nasa Hong Kong tayo or sa ibang lugar. Napakaganda talaga dito. Okay, so ayan guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog ko. Dahil napakaganda talaga ng mga bulaklak dito. So magpicture-picture pa ako para sa aking photography lessons. So hanggang sa muli guys. Okay, please subscribe my channel, Doy's Playlist channel. At see you again on my next video. Good luck guys. Keep safe. Bye-bye. Okay, enjoy watching guys. Bye.